Guys, for all the scooter riders or the motorbike riders, I need your help. If anyone knows what this means, it's accelerating with no acceleration. You know, if anyone knows what this means, can you help me please? I need your help. And what's this mean? If anyone can explain me, please drop me a text in a message. Please, I need your help for all the riders, all the scooter riders. What's this mean, accelerating with no acceleration? Kind of. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. I don't have idea why this staying like this. We don't know this. Please, I need your help.